Kingston traffic and nothing normal in it.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you'll never see if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
Somebody care about the party like that? They might push out faster than with them and stuff. They might take out the side. You see them go and follow. No. Probably the council, you know, they kind of have a little tricky thing to it. Let's say not government, like local government, no one, but that foolishness and it depends on if like them have a council. Yo, they just need to deal with you.
You don't see a lot of men fall.
But that means, I say what I pass? What's up, people? No, 876 by Bert as usual, and we're there up on the street. You get what I say? Yeah, me and Kimmy there and make a way go. We're going over Spanish Town right now. So we're bringing you along with we. You get me? I say we're there cross. We just left Tasties. We buy 2 patty. And we left Tasties as the area we mentioned and talk a while ago. You see me? Yeah, man. So we basically I make a way. We did go straight? That's straight where we come from? Should we never come down from the road?
Straight I come from
Oh.
international ingredients.
And what is what them say that?
International ingredients.
Okay. Yeah, people, so we make a way go over Spain and the traffic miserable on the crossroads side, people. So we have to take some little bypass, you know. We are trying to reach out on Spanish Town Road right now. So basically I go cross. As the traffic here, yo, best believe it's terrible. Terrible. Bunny bunny.
Remember now?
Probably kinda. Yeah, that man's only one. Only one bakeries at school is over there.
Granville.
Oh. Oh. So this is retirement person? Okay. Oh, whoa, yo, we're jumping at some trench, you know, man. Jumping at some trenches. Kingston traffic and nothing normal in it. You have to remember that sign when you enter. for true, man. You think about it, man. I don't touch you. Machine. Somebody come from, but it's supposed to be Maxfield. Was it Maxfield? Is it Maxfield? Yeah, Maxfield. Somebody got this one, go once. What they do? Gallery Road, the bad while ago? This is just long. Take Galloway, carry go straight through. Carry go straight through. Hold on. Come out. One man go down. Yeah, come out, come now. Alright, brother. You say we do good can drive? I take back Galloway Road. It's true, I take the like you have to good. The other road we have to go turn on some different section and railway, so even though this have some sleeping police connected, take back this straight across. So man, I'm putting sleeping police car. I wanna drive one of them thing there. Feel good now? Itself? Oh, not the one, the house itself. Oh, yeah, free house in the right on the roadside, for sure. Them they can normally that can go up in the yard looking first, though. Yeah. You know, I'm not even did that notice, so they make the house is still right. They're right on the roadside, basically, so I can't in my house and somebody on the road. Yeah, no, nothing else spaces. Alright. This all time. Now which way would you take where some come from? Yeah, never you got this one. So walk up across, don't see. Go back me. Want to go across Spanish Town Road. And then just go straight up. That's it. Right. Oh. See, how they uniform there?
I know me not have my picture in the uniform.
People Kimmy used to go to school here. St. Peter Claver. Yeah. I regular. I see them for a school challenge, please. Regular. Regular see them for a school challenge, please. Oh. Oh yeah? Okay. Right after you go there. Sportage this. But this big door, man. What you got this? No, this is so. Have an hour? Can come up, shall come up. Have an hour? You should have come up. Alright people, me apologize if the glare from the sun affect the quality of the video, you know. Just bear with a little bit. You know? Hopefully it's not that bad. Over here, name again, Union Estate. Oh, this is the Union. What is it?
Something I remember.
Oh, are entrances?
Yeah.
Them pencils on him now on the gate, boy. Remember when they made the bill, man? A Porsche did somebody did that? A Porsche time.
Yeah.
So also something did over there or did just land should be land?
Just probably not there, then no go now.
Oh.
Because enough of them people that were live over there, so they come from up north,
Round the place.
Olympic, Garden Side.
Yeah. Watch out. What the pass is that? This time I'm going to drive, you know? No. A gully this. It's a cliff. Watch that cliff here. Oh, okay.
So one of them places there are Kingston and St. Andrew.
Oh, hold on, Andrew, probably. Hello? Yeah? You get forgot the place? Oh, when they found Spanish Town, would I head over to Spanish Town now? No, Oh. Yeah, me think me here, yeah. Oh, shit. Hey. No, you know. So come here, come over now. Alright, where reach Jamaica? Yeah. my juicy I get taste is I run for the money for two, you know. With the patty thing. Patty is nice. Stop there, sir? No, seriously, man, I wonder. So, what am I waiting on this one? I'm saying my weapon full side. I'm safe at garbage. Garbage, you see that? That told them. When you use the car, grab on the car, I think they want
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want.